Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So, first of all, please tell me that if the voice quality is good, as today I am using the earphones. If it is good, then it's fine. Otherwise, I have to buy the separate mic. So, please try to tell about the audio quality of this video. So, now I am going to discuss in this video that how to get good marks in the mains level English plus a good source of your revision for English. From there you can revise your basics or you can complete your basics also. Okay, so it is the one stop solution which I will discuss at the end of the video. First I will discuss about my strategy by which I solve the mains mock test, and about like most of the times I attempt 35 plus questions in English. So I am gonna share that with you because it is going to help you a lot. So first of all, we will discuss about the pattern of the mains examination. So in English section, there are 40 questions of 40 marks, okay, and it contains 3 RC, and in one RC there are around 6 to 7 questions, so roughly there are around 24 to 25 questions itself from the RC, okay. Then the other questions are of miscellaneous, like some error detection questions, but the error detection questions of mains are like multiple sentences, and we have to choose the error in each of the sentences, and then we have to mark the options according to our answer. So first there is error detection, then there is some phrase replacement questions. We have to replace the phrase by the meaning, by its meaning, okay. So some questions are given like which sentence can replace this phrase. So if we know the meaning of that phrase, then only we can answer. And the thing which works here is reading plus your phrase knowledge. Phrase knowledge doesn't matter much, but your reading will play a huge role in your mains mock test score plus in the real exam scores also, okay. So first of all, try to attempt the miscellaneous questions as much as you can, and reading is going to help you a lot because English is not a one day skill. You have to earn it, you have to do it on daily basis, and because you can't learn making, like you can't learn driving bicycle in one day. You have to practice on daily basis. So English is like that, you have to practice on daily basis to improve your marks. And one more thing is that if you are doing the reading, if you are reading the editorials by the sake of just increasing your marks in the mock test and in the examination, then it is not going to help you, because you know in the back end of your mind you are not interested. You are feeling somewhat, you are feeling that you are doing it forcefully, because if you take interest in the editorials, then your English skills will improve itself, okay. You don't need to put that much efforts if you are interested in reading. I have seen this thing with myself, because I have lots of interest in reading multiple things like some novels, then there is editorials also. So this thing helps you a lot. I never search for any subject verb agreement in any sentence while reading the editorial. I just focus on vocabs, but I take lots of interest in reading the editorials plus in the novels also, and in any of the way it helps me a lot in like attempting good amount of questions in the mains mock test plus getting good marks also. So first you have to attempt the miscellaneous questions, then you have to attempt the RCs. So from the RCs, try to search the short RC, okay, the short RC, and then try to answer that. So how to answer? First try to read the question. So when you find the keyword of the question in the RC, then you can read that line very carefully and you can answer the question, okay. So this is the way of solving the RC. And if you have less time left, like if you have 2 to 3 minutes left for the RC, and if your reading skill is not that much good, so try to find the vocab based questions in the RC, or there are some error detection based question in the RC itself, or the cloze test based questions, okay. So try to find that questions, because you can't read the whole RC in 2 to 3 minutes if your reading skills are not that much good. So try to play smartly here, try to find the vocab based questions plus the error questions. Then there are some like some questions which are based on fill in the blanks. So try to find that and try to attempt those questions. But in mains, if you want to get good marks in English, you have to improve your reading skills, because English is a game changer in the mains section, English and GA both. So you have to focus on your reading skills, and please try to take the interest in the editorials plus in the novels whatever you are reading. Please try to take interest in that particular thing which you are reading, because without interest I don't think that you can improve your English. So you have to take interest, you have to develop an interest and a curiosity to learn English. Okay, so this was for the strategy of attempting, like how to attempt the mains mock test. Now I am going to discuss about the grammar rules force, which I personally like I am using nowadays to revise my grammar concepts. Okay, you can also use this. This is a PDF. I will give you the link of this PDF, and it is totally free. You don't have to pay anything, you don't have to search for anything. You just tap on the link given in the description and you can download it. But why you will download it, I am going to discuss some of the features of this PDF which is like very important. So it contains the complete grammar rules. Okay, and the best thing about it is that the candidates who got selected in the 2020 bank examinations, they themselves have selected these grammar rules and they themselves have made this PDF. Okay, so in this PDF only those theories are given which have the potential to answer the tough questions of mains. The specific error detection rules which have the capacity to answer the mains level questions, these theories are given in this PDF. Okay, plus if you think that it will be of complex language, no, the language is very simple. Plus there is some picture representation also, like some charts and tables are given, and it is very good to understand. Okay, so now like before the examination we always revise our grammar rule, but we just keep hustling between the sources. Like sometimes we watch some YouTube videos, then we try to download some random PDFs. But now you don't have to do anywhere, you just download this PDF and you just read it, and I am sure that you will feel very safe after reading this PDF and very confident. Okay, then you won't feel any fear of basic grammar because your grammar will be covered in a very good way. Okay, and this PDF helps you a lot in attempting the miscellaneous questions of mains examination. Okay, for RC it is different, you need reading skills, but for the miscellaneous questions, like the miscellaneous questions are of around 16 to 17 to 18 marks in the mains examination. So you can fetch around 15 marks from the miscellaneous questions, and then if you attempt RC, then you can get 10 marks from the RC also. Okay, from the 3 RCs. So there is 25 marks in English which you can get easily if you focus on your preparation and try to read this PDF very carefully. Okay, and try to give your 100%. So I found this a very good source of revising, as I am using it personally and I am seeing the improvement. So you can also use this. Okay, so that's all for this video, and all the best for your examinations. I hope you get the job this year. Thank you.